Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates and a quick restart because many pauses come from outdated software or hung processes. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to clear temporary network problems. Make sure background app refresh for music is enabled so streaming stays active. Low storage can also force pauses, so free at least a few hundred MB. These first actions clear common causes quickly and set you up for the deeper fixes that follow. Now move on to connection and app settings. Next, you target networking and account problems because unstable connections often cause interruptions. If pauses persist, reset network settings to purge corrupt caches. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Then sign out of Apple Music and sign back in to refresh authorization and libraries. Verify your subscription is active so streaming isn't throttled. Test playback on cellular and another Wi-Fi to determine whether the problem is local network related. Finally, you perform app-level restores and hardware checks to finish the repair. Delete and reinstall the music app to clear corrupt caches. If you rely on downloads, restore them from backup afterward. Inspect headphones and Bluetooth codecs. Switch to wired or another BT device to rule out codec mismatches. Review other audio apps that may hijack audio sessions. If none of this fixes it, collect diagnostics and contact Apple support. They can analyze logs and push server-side fixes. One key tip: always reproduce the pause while collecting logs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.